So just doing a video here just to give you an idea of the extraordinary condition of the paint of this car and the bumperettes. I mean, the car has just been absolutely babied. I don't think he went over 60 miles an hour. There's like a couple of stone chips, but they're tiny. I mean, we really have never seen anything like this on an original car. You know, usually somewhere there's some paint, but this is just incredible. Okay, so here's a continuation of the condition of the paint and also the lenses. As you can see, the beautiful color. There's no fade in them whatsoever, and quite extraordinary. I'm pretty sure that this is an aftermarket piece that was available at the time, which also no fading at all in the black lettering or in the red lens. And then just going through to the other side, and then coming down to bumperettes again, extraordinary. The car does have now 4 brand new tyres, probably done about 10-15 miles on those tyres. Then moving up here to the rubber spoiler, again, fabulous condition. Now, I don't know whether or not this is aftermarket, this rear brake light. Perhaps you guys can wade in and tell me. The cover for the roof panel, which is also in the same position. Amazing to find that everything is here for this car. The rear windscreen wiper, absolutely amazing condition. Just look at this. Look at that. The rubbers. Absolutely beautiful condition. The mirrors, same thing. Amazing. Just a little bit of delamination going in the original windscreen. And as you can see through here, you can see where the dashboard has been covered with the leather. It's just very livable. I mean, if you like those dials, which I really do, but if you want to go back to concours condition, I mean, you just probably can't find a better example to actually bring back 100% than this car.